Hello, everybody. All right, today we have test number 2. Let's set the stage. It's 8:16 in the morning. At about 6:45 this morning, I had my coffee. So I haven't had anything to eat or drink since. And I don't know what the hiccups are. I know they're a spasm in the diaphragm. The flap goes whoop, bloop, bloop. I watched the Dr. Oz video. But I don't know what causes it in me. Yesterday I tried the Sprite and it did not work at all. And yes, it was bubbly. If you rewind the video back, you will see the when I poured it into the glass. So you're wrong. You're wrong. All right, I'm gonna try this one. See how this goes. And it usually works pretty good. That's why I don't like drinking it in public. Like when I go to a restaurant, I know, just get to it, lady. But I have a story to tell. When I go to a restaurant and I drink this after my meal, because I don't drink alcohol, this is 100% effective in giving me the hiccups that I don't require. So maybe it'll work right now for you. But also, in a restaurant, I have ice. But I'm not gonna use the ice unless it's an emergency and I can't do it. So, here we go. This is not a good idea so early in the morning. We've made contact. No, just one. That's impossible. Is that impossible? That's impossible. I only got one. How do you just get one? All right. Justin, it's your fault. I really only got one. That's so weird. That's happened before to me. I think maybe I shut it down immediately because I don't like the hiccups. It doesn't hurt. So those of you who like to watch people in pain with the hiccups, it doesn't hurt me. So you're out of luck. And is there a way to prove that it is bubbly? Here we go. Nothing. Why? It's... All right, I'm pulling out the emergency ice. Let's try it with ice. Well, the straw will be the last resort. I'm chugging. I really am chugging. And it really is fizzy. Can you hear that? Can you see that? Well, ice does water it down. Okay. All right. So drinking it. See, my nose is running now. All right. Let's go. When I get them in a restaurant, I'm sitting at a table like this. Maybe it's because the carbonation lines are dirty in a restaurant. You never know. Nothing. See? It's fizzy. Here we go, Justin. Nope. All right. Let's read the sodium and sugar content. Okay, fat 0, sodium 75 milligrams, which is 3% of my daily allowance. Carbs 65 grams, 34%. Wait, is that a 3? Can't see. 24% of my daily allowance. Sugars 65 grams. That is 130% of my daily allowance. Right there. So, wow. Maybe I'll have to go to a restaurant and get a cup of their soda. Because it happens when I like go to McDonald's or something and I get a drink, carbonated drink. It's a mystery. Oh, another failed test. I used to be so good at tests in school. All right, so I'll be testing Monster Energy drink. This is a lot of sugar in 2 days for me. So, we'll still see how I feel later. Maybe I'll just get it over with and film it later. If I have the hiccups, I'll pick up the camera and I'll video it. Well, I am gonna go drink about 8 gallons of water now to flush out all of these sugars. And I'll talk to you on another day. So thank you for watching. Have a wonderful everything, and perhaps I will see you on another day. Bye.